Everyone, my name is Jasmine. I am studying 9th standard in Davarpeti Bhasham branch. Today I am going to tell about importance of helmet, a small story. Once upon a time there was living a small family. The father was working at a one office. The father was buying the helmet but he is not keeping the helmet. The mother was observing the father up till 5 days. But the father was not keeping the helmet. One day the mother was asked the father to keep the helmet. But the father said, I won't keep the helmet. Why? Because my hairstyle will be damaged. So that day, the father went to the office. The second day, the mother was asked the father to keep the helmet. But the father said again that like only. The third day, the father, when he is going to meeting, the mother asked the father to keep helmet. So that day, the mother was forced the father to keep the helmet. So the father kept the helmet. Because of the mother, the father was saved on that day. Why? Because when the father went to the outside, suddenly one dog came in front of the bike. The bike was skipped and he was fell down and for he some injuries are happened. So friends, tell to your parents when going to outside, follow the rules and regulations, keep helmet. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you.